I'm gonna craft diamonds and F smash right here. GG's. Ah! I'm so happy, bro.
Streamed live on twitch.tv/Yolkshi.
This game is so lame. This game is lamer than my parents' divorce. It's not. It's at my level, bro. That ain't my dick! That's not my dick! Down smash. Bro doesn't know his own character. Get out of here. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Do another. Oh. And he's not recovering. Bro's not recovering. He's not recovering. I'm pissed! I'm not dead. I'm not dead. Alright, GG's. I almost threw so hard that game. Guys, I got a burrito! The gun's up to my head. There's only 78% stopping me from pulling the trigger. I'm not dying. I'm not dying. Roll back. Ah! I missed it, but I can't take it! Bro! Dude, that's actually fucking insane. You fucking shoot yourself in the fucking head. And alright, guys. I hope everyone had a fantastic stream. I hope you all had a great day. Have a good one. And then it goes like that. And then stream's fucking over. Noah would play Blue Kirby. Fuck Noah. Noah pisses me off. Noah, just fucking turn your switch off, kid. Noah! Noah, don't! Oh, wait, I actually... I was looking too far up that I didn't move. Alright. Noah is about to get timed out. Why did that work? Why did that... Oh no. I'm gonna roll it and then literally what is fucking Noah... What is bro doing? Noah! Think! I'm up there! Plan B. Wow, Noah, good job. Oh no. Noah might not recover. Cause oh no, he's Kirby. Oh no, I got scared for a second. Noah. 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 Noah! Noah! Oh, he got big percent on me this time, guys. Down. No, don't down me. Oh no. Oh, wow. To run up like that. Oh my god, he's actually learning how to approach. Oh, and then he goes and does that. I'm gonna build a penis on Noah so his mom gets mad at him. Oh, Noah, don't let your mom see. Noah. Oh, he's getting his hammer charged up. What am I? Noah, be careful. Bad roll. Why did that kill? Minecart. It's over. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. Don't even try. Oh. GG's. You were supposed to roll! Hold on. You're not ready for what I'm about to do, though. You're not ready. Neutral, get up smash. GG's. Kid, you're not gonna kill me. You're not gonna kill me. In fact, you're gonna die right here. Like, that just makes me very upset. Roll. It's over. You're dead. Dead. Be scared. Fuck you, crafting table! Fuck you! And then I'm gonna do this. Like, what are you doing? GG's. I won. I win. I'm the better player. Wait! Captain Olimar is D's! asked what's D's what, I get my against them. Roll. Oh my god, I did the basic Steve thing. Oh my god, I'm hype. This game's been fun while it lasted, but I need to get my next game in. Minecart. No! Sorry, but why did I have to die? Why did I? Dude, I can't die here. I cannot die here. I'm not letting you hit waft on me. No! Okay. I'm not scared. I'm dead. Oh, let's go. I win. GG's. You don't win these, baby. I win these. Okay, I'm not gonna celebrate.
Roger.
Oh, my mic got unplugged. Okay, I'm gonna go this game. Ah! Wait, this is the new Steve. Yes. Unless you're a Sonic game. Sonic games fucking music are insane. Fuck awesome. That was fucking raw. He's too small, so I can't fucking hit him. Well, what? I'm such a fucking asshole. I'm such an asshole. Minecart now, backer, F smash, roll back, dash forward, dash back, dash forward, jump, back air, and then we go to a spike. Oh my god, I'm actually kind of pissed about that. I'm upset. Bro does not like listening to his owner. Because guess what, Alex? I own you. Whoa, I did it! I'm gonna fucking blow my brains up. Dude, there's a lot of chat that's been happening that I got. Ow! I dropped my mic. I broke my mic. I dropped it and now it's dented and shit. I grabbed! This has been a Yolkshi stream. Have yourselves a good one. I just realized I didn't end stream because